Hello friends, today we will be learning this pattern, this binary patterns, and you can do some variations after this. It's simpler. We will start from this one, then this, then this. Okay, so it's not that difficult. Let's see. If you haven't watched my previous videos, please go and watch it. First we will do this pattern. Okay, where only the diagonal ones are 1 and others are 0. Okay, so that means like I equal to 0, j is equal to 0, that's 1. Then I equal to 1, j equal to 1, that's 1. Okay, then I equal to 2, j equal to 2, that's 1. Others are 0. Okay, first we will print this. You forgot that what I'm trying to say. Let's see in program. I've tried this one, but let's do. So first we will take 2 for loops like always. I hope you have watched my previous videos, then it will be much more easier. Maximum, let's take it as 4, and another loop. Let's take maximum as 4 again. Let's do that system.out.println, and we don't need this next line over here as we need. Let's print it 1, and then just to go in the next row we would take this, and we need if condition. If we want to use the if conditions, then everything will be 1 over here. See, let's see. So everything is 1, but we need only in the diagonals 1. So let's do if condition. If what if I equal to j, as we have seen it, I equal to j, then it's printing out as 1, neither else it prints out as 0. Okay, else it's print out as 0. See, hope you got that. If I equal to j, then it prints 1. Okay, I 0 is j 0 1, I 1 j 1, then it's print 1. That's why we take the condition I equal to j or j equal to I, so we print as 1. So now take another one. So let's do this one. If I equal to 0, then everything will be 1. If I equal to 1, there's everything will be 0. When I equal to 2, then everything will be 1. Here we can found that if I is, then all columns are 1 1. If I equal to 0, so here we found if I modulus of 2 is equal to 0, then it's 1. That means modulus of 2 gives us the remainder. If remainder is 0, then it's then it prints out as 1. If remainder is 1, and I modulus of 2 gives the remainder. Okay, so that's why we have to go for that. So let's see. If I modulus of 2, I modulus of 2 equal to 0, then it should print 1, I guess. Else it will print 0. See, for I modulus of 2 equal to 0, it prints 1. Why I modulus of 2 equal to 0? The remainder of should be 0, then it will print 1. So I modulus of 0, that is the 2 divided by 0, remainder is 0, so it will give 1. I modulus of 2, that is 2 divided by 1 gives us remainder as 1, so it is not equal to 0, so it will print else, that is 0. Okay, else 1 is 0. Okay, so it prints 0. So now we have to print this one. Okay, we can even do this one is 1 1 1 instead of 0. So let's see. So I plus 1. If you have seen my previous videos, you would know this I plus 1 and all. We will start off expression I plus 1, sorry, it's 1. If you need this output, or if we need the I plus 1 and 4 minus I, please watch my previous videos, then you will understand it better what I am doing over here. You still use this, and it gives this. Four minus I. We'll give this one. Okay, so but let's keep this only. now we have to print this one. So here what we will do, we will plus I plus j modulus of 2, we would use this I plus j modulus of 2. So I is 0, j is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, so modulus of this would be 0. So if it's 0, then it should print 0. Okay, if I plus j, so I plus j modulus of 2, no, so I is 0, j is 1, so 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 modulus of 2 would be 1, so it will print 1. Again it's I 0 and 2 is 2, I plus j is 2, so 2 modulus of 2 is 0, so again we will print 0. So the remainder is 0, so it will print 0. If I 0 and j 3, so 2 modulus of 3 will give remainder as 1, so it's not 0, so it will print 1. Okay, so that's how it will go. So let's see in the program, I am plus 2 modulus of modulus of 2, so it should print I plus modulus of 2. 1 second, what we are doing over here wrong, let's see. I plus j, it was j. Okay, so we got the output. If we are printing over here 1, that's why it will give 1 0 1 0. If we print over here 0 and here 1, then it will give our output 0 0 1 0 1. Okay, that's why if we have to just do the opposite one, we can do here 1 and 0, so it will give the opposite one. Okay, we need this output, so we did that. So for opposite one, we can just do this system out print changes. Okay, so that's it. Again, I think you can do the variation if you want any. Please like and subscribe. I have given the pattern playlist in the description. Please go and watch it. It would be easier for you to understand. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe. If you have any problems, please comment and share it. Thank you so much.